Alright, so for the second part of this video, I had some recordings on DVR, the grandparents, and a few Maryland stations. Well, first one's going to be WMPT. Take a look at this. They failed. No audio, nothing. So that was actually WMPT 3 that failed it. Here's WMPT. Guess what? They failed it too. Oh, oops, that's slow. Here's play. Well, they failed it. No audio, nothing. Nothing. We still got 2 more MPT stations to go through. I'm gonna guess they all failed it. Amazing. WMPT2. Guess what? They failed it. They failed it. They failed it. Every WMPT station failed it. I'm still going to count it though, because you have the scroll on the top and it technically is an EAS. But no audio came out of the... I guess something is wrong with the index at the station, and it causes an issue with the audio, like the output. But yeah, every WMPT station failed it. We still have one more to go through, but I'm pretty sure they're going to fail it too. And then we have WDVM. Hopefully they did it right. So the other WMPT station is an NHK World affiliate. It's like Japanese news. They didn't even go, but I did find WDVM's test. I haven't heard any of it, so I don't know if they did it right or not, but since they're not WMPT, I hope they've done it right. Let's see, this is going to be the last test of the video, but here we go, WDVM.
An attempt to kidnap June. The attempt was irrelevant, so it did not occur. The family was very aware that they were targets for this.
The Corus family told investigators they were willing to do anything to get the 44-year-old father of 4 back safely. Money was not an issue. The family was worth millions.
Are you serious?
His father said they had something I wanted for my son, and I'm willing to pay whatever is necessary to get it back.
They failed it, didn't they?
The kidnappers never contacted the Corus family
iPause
again.
cap. This is the
Well,
normal.
let's hope that you were
I'm gonna leave it a
alive.
minute.
If anybody questioned there was a
Just in
problem.
case, they may cut in
His
weight.
hat, his glasses, the water.
The FBI's document examiners carefully studied the typed ransom note for clues. First, they dusted the letter for fingerprints and didn't find any. But they noticed right away that the typist was proficient.
It looks like they
The
failed it.
typist here leaves 2 spaces after a period. That's what you were taught to do in typing class. There don't appear to be any typos, no miswriting of the keys here. Overall, a very good job of typing.
Yep, WDVM failed it.
Typeface was
Oh.
distinctive.
Just
The
pop back up
typesetting
again.
we're looking at here was made by a Swiss firm named CTAG. This proprietary typeface was used by 2 typewriter manufacturers.
Popped up twice.
Hermes in Switzerland and the Royal McBee Company in Holland. The numerals in the ransom letter told the story.
You can
Let me fast
differentiate
forward.
between the Hermes and the Royalite by
This is the... What popped up? Maybe.
The typewriter had a tiny defect. The letter S.
Okay.
1950s model.
Nope.
When the FBI
WDVM
went to
screwed it up.
Osborne's apartment in
So,
downtown
yeah,
Denver, it was
they all
empty.
count,
He
but
had moved out the
nothing
day
actually
after the
relayed from
kidnapping and
index.
left no
Wow.
forwarding address.
So we have fails. We have fails.
Very unsocial.